Good afternoon! I will film a video today. Naka-ready na yung aking setup. So yeah, dyan ako nag-film. Because again, here, I tend to look red. And now, I don't look red. Pinapahiya ako ng camera ko. Who's texting me? I-film ko yung real versus fake ng Real Techniques na Miracle Sponge. Thank you so much, Kerwin, for sending, for giving me the fake one na bili niya sa Divisoria. So yeah, that's what I am doing. I'm just preparing all the stuff that I need, like the foundation and the primer. If you guys watch my Best of Beauty, alam nyo na gumagamit na ako ng primer lagi. And yeah, love this primer. Sephora Smoothing Primer. I really like it. Ililive ko yung link below, but it's Sephora PH, you guys. If you guys are interested. And then, what else do I need? Oh, by the way, ito yung mga LOL products na nabili ko sa Kmart. Here. So, I got 2, 4, 6 products that I will do a first impression review on. So, lahat na yan gagamitin ko for the first time sa isang video. I'm not sure when I will film that first. I'm not sure when I will film that yet, but maybe bukas or maybe next week. We'll see. I don't want to film on weekends because I want to spend time with Dan on weekends. So, yeah. I think we're going camping on weekend, you guys. We were thinking about what to do, and Dan was like, you can Google like what you want to do. I told him we can go for a road trip, like, you know, go somewhere far and just drive. And then he's like, why don't we go camping? So I was like, whoa, camping. We'll see. He will call his stepdad and ask kung meron silang tent kasi we don't have tent. So we'll see. Anyway, I will go ahead and start. Bye. Hello, I just finished filming and diba darating yung ano ni Dan, pamilya ni Dan today. Yung papa niya, yung stepmom niya, tapos yung kuya niya, tapos yung mga anak ng kuya niya. Yung kambal niya hindi makakarating kasi si Baby Ile may sakit. Pero meron 2 batang pupunta, guys. And yan. Hindi ko alam po anong gagawin ko sa kanya. Kasi alam niyo naman, diba, wala siyang border. So, hindi ko siya mamove basta-basta. It will just stay there. Tapos, feeling ko talaga, guguluhin to ng mga bata. Siguro mag-goodbye na lang ako sa kanya. Kasi feeling ko talaga, guguluhin nila to. Or maybe, ilalagay ko yung lapi niya Dan over this. Pero I still think parang guguluhin to ng mga bata. I did put tape in here sa gilid. Someone actually commented on my video na next time, kasi bibili kami next time eh. Hindi ko pa nasabi sa video ko. Pero I think I have mentioned it. Na next time, bibili kami nung 1,000 pieces. And yeah, I think 1,000 pieces is $5, I think, $6. Basta gusto ko i-try yung 1,000 pieces. And next time, I will put it on styrofoam. Someone commented on my video na ilagay sa styrofoam. And actually, I was like, that's a great idea. We'll see. Baka naman magbait yung mga bata today. Mabait naman sila, you guys. Pero bata sila, makulit sila, diba? We'll see. We'll see. Pero kung ano man mangyari sa'yo, okay lang, na-vlog naman ka tayo. Char, may ganan! Ayoko na mag-general cleaning kasi kahapon nag-vacuum na ako, diba? I will just do some cleaning just a little bit kasi alam ko na pag alis nila, maglilinis din ako ng bongga. Pero yeah, maglilipat lang ako kasi in 3 hours darating na sila. Si Dan, darating siya 5:30, tapos yung family niya darating 6. So, yeah. Hindi nga pala ako magluluto today kasi yung plan ni Dan is mag-pizza talaga. So, gusto niya talaga mag-pizza. So, he will get pizza and sushi for tonight's dinner. And okay naman sa mga kapatid niya kasi nagpasta na sila nung Monday. We were not able to go sa family dinner on Monday kasi nga, diba, we watch cricket. And, yeah, family dinner sila on Monday and they had pasta. So, ngayon, they want pizza. Hello! Hala, I look oily. Do I look oily?
No. A little bit.
Yeah, right? The nose. I'm wearing the Milani foundation. Kasi nga, diba, I filmed earlier. You guys! I got a present! Diba, yung stepmom ni Dan and his dad came over. And then she gave me this. I've been wanting to get this. Kaya lang ayoko kasi it's expensive. And hindi ko siya afford. And I prefer not to buy perfume for myself. Like, yeah, I have it. I put it on right away when I got it, and the kids opened it for me, and I told her because I saw the box, and I told her I've been wanting that, and she was like, really? So happy. And then he got this million. Can I show them, babe? I already did. Ooh, look, gold bar. Looks like that. This smells really good as well. Yeah. You have a lot of perfumes now. Cologne. Oh, this one smells good. Actually, they kind of smell the same. Not the same, similar. No, not really. This one smells good. Ooh, this is a really good gift idea. If you guys are looking for cologne, this one smells really good. And it looks really fancy as well. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't think she watches my video, but thank you. I will go ahead and wash my face. I've had this contacts on for a while now. And yeah, my eyes actually doesn't look as bad. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hello, good afternoon. Actually, hapon na. Yes, and I have makeup on. I just finished filming a makeup look using all Sephora makeup, Sephora PH, and yeah, I came up with this look right here. Ooh, so bright. I will meet Dan sa city mamaya 7:30 kasi after ng last meeting niya. Actually, yung last meeting niya is yung friend niya. So, pupunta sila ng pub. And he said, we will meet sa city. And we will meet at 7:30. Di pa ako naliligo. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ko to isusuot tong makeup na to paglabas. So, gusto ko, like, makeup muna, film muna, tapos ligo, tapos, you know. Kasi, sayang naman kung makeup ako, tapos remove. I don't know. I didn't make sense at all. But hindi ko alam. Yeah, I actually posted a picture on Instagram asking you guys for questions kasi sobrang sayang naman itong makeup ko. I wanted to film another video pero depende sa mga questions. If yung mga question na na-answer ko na, parang di na lang ako mag-film. You know what I mean? Dami nagtatang trabaho ni Dan. Kaloka. Sana marami ng questions para maka-film na ako. Kasi it is now 3:30. And you know what? My gosh, you guys. We will go camping tomorrow. Kakaloka! Magka-camping na talaga kami. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon na we will go camping? And yeah, like na-book na namin yung campsite. And yeah, that's naganap bukas. Or yung weekend namin, ganun. Pupunta kami sa campsite. Tapos, basta pupunta kami sa river somewhere far. So yun, mag-road trip. Tapos magka-camping. Kakaloka. Wala pang power doon. Good luck talaga sa akin. Pero yeah, exciting. Ay guys, itong shirt na to pala is from Taytay RTWM. So, meron siyang Facebook, www.facebook.com/taytayrtwm kasi diba ang daming maganda sa Taytay and hindi naman lahat nakakapunta ng Taytay, especially nung nasa Pilipinas ako, nasa Cebu ako, ano lang talaga, hanggang panood lang talaga ako ng haul. Gusto ko pumunta ng Taytay. Diba last year, yung goal ko talaga is pumunta ng Divisoria. And we did that. I'm so happy. This year, kapag nakauwi kami this year, I think makakauwi kami. Yeah, gusto namin pumunta ng Taytay. Sabi ko kay Dan, pupunta tayo ng Taytay. And he hates it when I shop for clothes kasi feeling niya, ang dami mo ng damit, hindi mo na kailangan. But I really wanna go to Taytay. So, yeah, payag naman siya. Na-convince ka na naman siya. So, yeah, I'm so excited. But yeah, this is from Taytay RTWM sa Facebook. I really like it. She actually sent me, I think, 4 pieces of clothing. Ito lang yung dinala ko kasi yung iba binigay ko sa kapatid ko kasi diba when I was packing, parang konti lang yung dinala ko. Ano siya guys, stretchy na hindi siya makapal. Makapal siya tingnan pero hindi siya makapal. So okay lang siya sa summer. And yeah. And yeah, I really like it. I love this. I love this keyhole right here. Yes! Hello! I'm ready. Mag-ano lang ako, magpe-perfume. Tapos, I'll leave. I will show you guys my outfit. By the way, ito yung bag na gamit ko. Yung from Kardashian collection. And then I will show you my outfit kasi meron na kaming lights dito sa closet. Yes! So, I am wearing this romper that I got from Ice ata. Yung sobrang mura lang ko ito nabili. Like $3 lang ata to kasi nag-close na yung Ice. And then I'm wearing this really long cardigan that I got from Dresslink, and then I'm just gonna wear one of my sandals, yung brown, and yung parang strappy na sandal. And then, yeah, yun yung outfit ko. It's a bit chilly tonight. It's 22 degrees, so that's why I'm wearing a long cardigan. Tapos yung likod din itong, romper. Sexy siya. ganyan. Ayoko naman na, yan lang. Nakakatawa kasi meron ng lights yung closet. It is already 6 na guys, and sobrang maliwanag pa sa labas, oh. Gagamitin ko yung Daisy na Marc Jacobs na binigay sa akin ng stepmom ni Dan. Stepmom at saka papa niya. So, yeah, I'm excited you guys. Ang tagal ko na ito nakikita sa YouTube. Diba may time na sobrang sikat na itong Marc Jacobs sa YouTube yung Daisy. Perfume talaga yung isa sa mga bagay na ayokong bilhin para sa sarili ko. Because hindi naman siya essential para sa akin. Like, hindi essential para sa akin na mag-perfume araw-araw. Like, I don't really care kung ano yung ano niya. Yung brand niya, as long as mabango siya. So, hindi talaga ako mamamahali ng perfume. Pero, again, because I watch YouTube all the time, ito yung lagi ko nakikita and ito yung nire-rate ng sobrang daming YouTuber noon. Mabango siya, guys. Super fresh. And, yeah. Last time I checked, my bus will be here in 25 minutes. So, after ko mag-ready, like, magsuot ng sandals, ganon-ganon, and then, punta na ako sa labas. Guys, it's chilly. Feeling ko lalamigin ako ng bongga mamaya. Naka-flip-flops lang ako. Na-miss ko mag-flip-flops lang lumabas. Hindi mas magiging malamig pa to mamaya. Good luck sa akin. Dito na ako sa bus stop. Ano siya? Mainit na mahangin. And 12 minutes pa ata yung bus ko. Ang aga ko, guys. May nakita ako nung palakad ako papunta dito. May nakita ako na paalis na bus. Sabi ko, di ko lang naabutan. Pero hindi naman yun yung bus na inaano ko. Yung kasunod talaga. Pero kung mas early pa ako, nakuha ko talaga, nakasakay sana ako doon, you know. Pero yeah, hindi ko pa alam kung saan kami magkikita ni Dan. Meron akong screenshot ng photo kung saan niya ako papalakarin. Like, lalabas ako sa mall kung saan ako usually pumupunta. So, alam ko pupunta ng mall. Pero, doon sa meeting place na gusto niya, hindi ko alam. Pero meron naman akong picture ng map kung saan ako pupunta. So, yeah, we'll see. We're here at the market. And, Dan wants to buy crabs. Here. $5. Yummers. We're going to the food court. Allah, is it this? Doesn't look like it, babe. Looks like a supermarket. Oh, that way. Okay. We're here sa Chinatown Market and we're getting laksa for Dan and then curry fried rice for me, Jan. And then we got our peach iced tea, as usual. Got my fried rice and then Dan's laksa. Laksa, yeah. He always say laksa. Dumpling. Hello! Nakauwi na kami. I'm a monkey. Actually, kanina pa nakapag-laundry na nga kami. Tapos, napalitan na namin yung sheets and I have my mask on. I'm actually not a big fan of this mask kasi dahil sa print niya, nagiging matigas yung mask. So, hindi siya dumidikit ng maayos sa mukha kasi nga matigas siya because of the print. So, yeah, see? Kapag regular lang to na white mask, like, didikit siya dito. But because medyo stiff yung ano niya, dahil sa print, hindi siya ganun kaganda. So, yeah. Yung merong malaking puti na part, like yung panda, okay lang. Kasi nadidikit dito ng maayos. Like yung panda, ito lang yung black. Sa mata lang. Pero ito kasi marami siyang brown. So, marami siyang print na, you know, aside from white. Yung white sa kanya, yung nandito lang eh. Ito lang, oh. See? Yan lang yung dumidikit. So, I'm not a big fan of these, like, animal mask. First time ko actually gamitin yung monkey. This is relaxing charcoal calming, something like that. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I will close my vlog because my battery is dying. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Good night.
You look crazy with that mask on.
I look crazy? You don't like this mask? The camera is focused on your face.
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good night, babe.
Good night.
Bye, guys. Good night.